time?
Now it's
See, I told you I'd mess up. I'm a fresh mind.
What's up?
We just did like 5 minutes of video. Messed the whole thing up.
Retake.
We can do it again.
We can do it again.
This is practice.
And she was like, was recording. So I'm at Sounds of Summer. It's a night. It's the last, next week's last one.
Second to last.
Second to last. This is Fresh Mind. Let's go back over. How'd you get that name, Fresh Mind? Let's
Fresh
get
Mind.
you over here a little bit.
So, back in the day, I used to cook, and
There we go.
I still cook. Everyone cooks, but I was cooking at a restaurant, and I was like, fresh food is important, so fresh ingredients. So I was like, fresh, yeah.
Fresh.
And then my buddy was like, hey, mind. He's real intellectual, and he's like, you have to have a renewed mind, a fresh mind. And we had a gig coming up, so we were like, we have to come up with a name and not just show up and be like, we are so-and-so. What do you think we should be called? So we named ourselves Fresh Mind. Yeah.
And it's stuck. Now, in the video we recorded that didn't get recorded, you were born and raised in Jamaica,
Yeah,
right?
Jamaica, Mandeville, Jamaica, in the hills. I was born and lived there 19 years.
What's your favorite part?
What's my favorite part? The South Coast. It's like the rugged, undiscovered.
Yeah.
All the hotels on the North Coast, and you can get a like package hotel deal. But if you go to the South Coast, you meet a lot of regular Jamaicans, and it's really rugged.
So you get the authentic feel of the South Coast.
Yeah. And
Okay.
Off the beaten path.
There you go, off the beaten path. Let's go around the room here. Here we got AJ. AJ just graduated from Lee University. What did you graduate with? What are you doing now, AJ? Let's go over.
Theology.
So what are you doing with that?
Right now I'm just working and playing with his mind.
I got a degree in Bible theology, and this is what I do. So. Good luck, brother.
Right?
This is Cameron. What you got going on, Cameron?
I just graduated from Lee with a degree in music and worship and emphasis in trumpet. And so I'm playing trumpet, but more than that, I'm leading worship at a church in Ottawa, just south of here, and in ministry full time. So.
See, we got degrees in Bible and theology. We're doing nothing, and he's got that going on. What do you got going on?
I'm Megan. I'm a senior at Lee University. I'm an elementary education major, so not Bible or music. So I want to be a teacher and make no money.
That's right.
Yeah.
Sings and voices.
And I'm in Voices of Lee as well.
So Voice of Lee's been pretty prolific here lately as far as prominent, being on some TV things. Have you been on that?
Yeah, my first Christmas, we were on the CMA Country Christmas special. But the biggest thing that's happened to us lately was last summer we put up some videos, and one of them, What a Beautiful Name, is now at 57 million views. So it's a pretty big deal.
And they're not getting a dime off of it, probably. Somebody's getting that money, but they're not.
Yeah, not us.
That's right. What are you doing in Germany?
We're going to sing for the Wacker Corporation and then also sightsee some. So.
See, it's Wacker, not Whacker.
Yeah,
Wacker.
Wacker.
Well, okay, what's your name again?
Matthew Barnett.
Matthew Barnett. Now, we got to Matthew in the last video and it stopped. And they're like, it wasn't even recording, dummy. Matthew, what do you do?
Well, I'm currently working at M&M Mars right now, and
My dad retired from there. Really? And I worked in the chocolate plant.
That's awesome.
I did.
There you go.
In the 90s. Were you born in the 90s?
95.
95.
Okay. Now, you go to Cleveland State.
Yeah, I went to Cleveland State.
Went to Cleveland State. What did you study?
Well, I was just general transfer and all that, and after that, I went on, found out about Fresh Mind and everything. James texted me, and I was like, "Who is James Snyder?" And one of his roommates gave him my number.
Yeah.
And so that's how me and him connected, and that's how we all.
Shout out to Oscar.
See, it's a
Merry
small world. Now, he plays the drums. If you get a chance to go see him play, and we're going to talk about where they're playing at soon, go see him. He does some amazing stuff. And the guy over here chilling on his, 15th cup? How many cups?
Yeah. I think it's 20 seconds.
Right. Of Kona Ice. What was your name?
I'm Clay.
Clay. Clay's with the shades and the headphones, just jumping, playing the bass, brother.
Yeah.
Where are you from?
I'm from Johnson City, Tennessee.
Johnson City, Tennessee. There's a song. Everybody comes here and plays that song. You guys didn't play. You should do a reggae version of it. That
A wagon wheel.
a wagon wheel. A reggae
He's
wagon wheel.
talked about that,
I mean,
actually. James has brought that up in the past.
I'd love to hear that, James.
I don't know if we'll do reggae.
That'd be
Or like a
awesome.
reggae Fat Bottom Girls or some Beastie Boys.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Reggae
Beastie Boys.
Beastie Boys.
Hey guys, thanks for playing at Sounds of Summer. We're going to be at next. Let me get over here. Everybody squeeze in together. If they want to find you, it's freshmindband.com.
Yeah, freshman the band.
The band. I'm going to tag them on the Facebooks down below. You can look down below. And I'll do the YouTube thing and all that. We're all squatted down. All right. Hey, say bye.
Bye.
Love you.